Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. Today we are finally doing the giveaway and reveal who's the winners. So stick around, let's run that intro and get right into it. Alright, so we're going to start with the Kimimoto gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and start the screen recording on my phone for the giveaway. So the first one. So the winner of the first pair of Kimimoto gloves is Goofy Bastard. Alright, now the second set of gloves. Warren Blinker Profi. And next will be the Kimimoto motorcycle handlebar tool bag. So let's draw that one. The Bearded Hoosier. Alright. Next will be the Kimimoto Universal Motorcycle Cup Holder. So let's go ahead and pick this one. Adventure Tomek. Alright. Next is the Cmc Motorsports Beanie. Alright, let's go ahead and draw that one. Dead Knot. Alright. And next we're going to have the Odin Manufacturing MX gloves. They are size large. Just a heads up. Harley Geezer. Alright. Next is Odin Manufacturing the Heavy Hitter gloves, size XL. These are my absolute favorite gloves on the market. Kemimoto. Alright. And the last prize is from HSU, the chin mount and extension kit. So awesome motovlogging tools right here. So let's draw that one. Kimimoto. Alright, congratulations everybody. I really appreciate you for helping me get to this point, helping for even entering into the contest, the giveaway and whatnot. And I want to thank Kimimoto, Odin Manufacturing, Cmc Motorsports, and HSU for hooking us up with some great prizes for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. If to get a hold of me, I want you guys to go to Instagram, send me a DM, and send me the address of where you want me to send your prizes. And if you don't have Instagram for some reason, hit me up at barricade.rides@gmail.com and send me your information that way. And thank you everybody. Gonna try to start pumping out some more content here soon. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.